What's up, y'all? Sean here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you a flight plan with the Parrot ANAFI from two different angles. One pointing ahead at the view that you're looking at right now, and then one pointing almost straight down, but maybe like 10 or 15 degrees out. And then we're going to create a multicam shot with that. But I want you to notice the neighborhood over to the left and that tree line. A year ago when I did this flight plan, that was all just an empty, flat plot. And the year before, when I did the same flight plan, that was all woods. So coming soon on my channel, I'm going to do a kind of a time-lapse, hyperlapse type of video that shows you all the same flight plan 3 years in a row. But if you like this content, please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications for when I put out more videos. But just sit back and enjoy the flight, y'all. It was a beautiful day on Saturday, and this Parrot ANAFI is a champ. It's over 3 years old. It's got over 100 flights on the original blades. So everybody was talking about how fragile this drone is, but it is a beast to me. So enjoy the video, y'all.
Like the rainbow.
Alright, that's it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful flight with the Parrot ANAFI. If you like this type of content, please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for more notifications of when I put out more videos. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Peace out.